We're going rogue. I think we're gonna buy an Airstream. We'll see. Any comments on the matter?
We'll see. We are prepared. What do you think?
I'm excited, but I don't know what to expect. 3 minutes away. Okay, we're 1 minute away.
I'm a little nervous.
What's your biggest feeling is nervous?
Oh, there it is.
Oh. What do you think? Do you guys have imagination?
No.
Could this be super cool?
Yeah.
Good access for your screen. Might be the black tank. The gray tank. See how it's just completely separating.
Oh my gosh, it's a bee nest. Bee's nest. Look at that.
Ugh.
And a
What?
spider web.
I'm so confused.
It's a big bee's nest.
Oh. This is the gray tank. That's the black tank. This is the freshwater tank. Sorry. I was so bothered why I couldn't figure that out.
Light bulb moment.
That makes sense because you want to dump from back here because you'd have to reach in. I should have thought about that. Those are your valve.
I asked him what that
Openings.
door was, and he said you open the door to empty the tanks.
Gosh, dang it. I feel dumb.
What is the difference? You just thought that was the blank. It's the black. It's fine. It was the gray.
That is the gray. That is the black. But I thought both tanks, every time I've seen a video, they show the tanks are in the middle. But it makes sense because this was the water inlet valve.
Yeah, this was where the
That's
kitchen
how you
was.
filled it in.
Yes. Well, that's a good curve. Oh. We are guessing this trailer was stored beneath a tree because there was a lot of tree debris to clean up. Anyway, there was our mascot Stella helping us out. We are removing the exterior trim, and beneath that exterior trim there were more rivets. All of this is to access the subfloor. Now, we are not cutting any corners doing it this way, but if we ever do this again, we will lift the shell. That way we would have better access to the subfloor, and installing the new subfloor would be much easier. But this is just a live and learn experience for us.
Oh, you're a wasp nest. Wow.
knew going into this project that we bought an older trailer and we wanted to do a really quality job. So we bought some waterproof sealant to go back over all the seams that have been previously done. And I bought a different color just so that I can track what I've done and we can get a fresh coverage over all the seams. The goal here is to remove both wheel wells so that we can repair some dings and dents and then replace them with a fresh seal.
To keep it from freezing. So there's two screws that are holding this window bracket in place. So I'm just undoing that so I can release it from the actual pane. Right there.
Okay. You're just gonna do the bottom one, right?
Yep.
And then the top one will just come out of this channel. Slide out. It's in there pretty good, huh?
It is. How high do I lift it up?
No, come down. More up. Oh, look at my dirty hands. Like this. Looked really easy in his video.
Can I see it?
Yep.
Going up, up, up. Hey!
Woohoo!
Got it.
What a cold, rainy day. Can you believe it is so dark and it's like 7 o'clock? Anyway, got the trailer all wrapped up nice and snug in a tarp, and we're gonna do our project inside tonight. Can't wait to show it to you. Hopefully we'll save a whole bunch of money and learn a new skill, and we'll see how it goes. We are attempting to save $500 and fix the bubbles from the windows in the RV. I am so curious and a little bit worried as to what these little things are in between the two panes. They look like little rocks, but what if they're like spider eggs? They're like
know how
dinosaur
a
eggs.
spider would have been able to get in there.
What could they be?
Probably
They're
just
all over.
something combining with
Oh,
the air or water got
yeah.
in there and made salt.
we're gonna catch a disease. This project was way more involved and complicated than we first imagined. So we're trying to separate the frames so that we can access the double paned window, and fire does not do that. We tried fire, we tried oil, we tried our brute strength, but in the end we broke it apart, and we'll fix it later. Ready? Oh, it's coming.
Ow, ow.
You okay?
Yeah.
It's coming on this side.
I know, it's hard because there's nothing to clip onto. Okay, we're going back to the hammer. Pretty sure this is the top.
Oh no. Supposed to remember, dang it.
I'm pretty sure this is the top because it goes straight and then curves up. So I'm pretty sure this is the top.
I could tell you stopped, but I didn't know what you were thinking about.
Pretty sure. Well, it went so fast
I know.
last time I was able to take my time.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the master of the debubbler window Airstream convention. I don't know what to say. What took hours yesterday took 45 minutes.
45 minutes? Get to this point?
We're getting faster. Professional, you might say. Okay, cocky, but
As I drop it and break
no. These are gonna these bubbles will be nowhere to be found in another hour. Half an hour?
it. Oh, let's see.